Hi, I'm Jenny Gleeson from Jenny Gleeson Coaching and Consulting, and I'm a Level 2 facilitator in Australia and New Zealand for this amazing tool called Personality Dimensions. I'm looking to train Level 1 facilitators, which means that you can learn the tool in a very short amount of time, get lots of information, and then implement it with your team. And if you're interested, you can implement it with other teams and become a consultant just like me. Personality Dimensions is an amazing profiling tool that helps people understand themselves and others more effectively. I've used Personality Dimensions in corporate settings right through to people that work on the ground with youth at risk. It's helped them communicate more effectively with the kids that they're working with. And in the corporate team, it's helped CEOs understand how to get the best out of their people. If you're interested in becoming a Level 1 facilitator, get in contact with me and I can work out the best package suitable for you and your requirements.